So welcome guys to our channel. If you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe. So we will move to our next question with our SQL series. This is, I think, based on triangles. So when a query identifying the type of each record, triangles, blah 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 blah, equilateral, isosceles, scalene, not a triangle. Okay, and what we are going to do, there is a one table defined with triangles A, B, C, all data type with integer. Okay, so okay, on basis of these three columns A, B, C, means data of this ABC, we are going to print the type of triangle. Oh, I think it's a good question. So if values in the tuple, okay, these are the types of triangle. Okay, these three are types of triangle. I don't know about this, not a triangle. I think many people don't know about this, means how to identify the triangle if you are not from a proper maths background. So what are the things? Equilateral, okay, equilateral, three sides are equal length. Isosceles, I don't know what is the pronunciation of this one, two sides of equal length. And this one is scalene, okay, all sides are with different length. And this is not a triangle. So mostly we are confusing with this not a triangle. So firstly we will check with this, means what is the not a triangle, how to define that this is triangle or not, on the basis of sides. Okay, if we are given with three sides A, B, C, and if we have to define that this is a triangle or not, what should be the criterias? So basic idea is this, means whenever triangle is defined like this is the triangle, this is the example, I think this is the equilateral triangle, the three sides are equal, okay, as we can see. But most important thing is that to satisfy the triangle criteria, that two sides of the triangle should be greater than a single side. Okay, any two sides of a triangle should be always greater than or equal to. Okay, this is also important, greater than or equal to single side. You can check other triangles also. Triangles means as in this picture there is equilateral triangle. So why it is not getting searched? There are many types of triangle. In all triangle this criteria always satisfies. Okay, so now we will move to our question and the answer. So on the basis of this ABC rows, we have to define that the row is which triangle, means which type of triangle it is. So I will not waste your time on with writing the code. I will directly put the code and I will show you, means what is the thinking behind this. So first of all, this is like in every coding language there is like if and else. So in DB also we have the syntaxes like when and case, when and else, this type of syntaxes we can use. Okay, so here select, if we want to check the any case, if case, then take case and end. These are like the parentheses, end blocks. Our condition starts from case and ends here. Okay, so when is the if, like if a plus b is greater than, this we will see later, this first see syntax. Okay, when has the else end block, case has the end block, when has else block, then again case has end block, when has else block. So this is the syntax. So now we will move to our answer, means how to write the query, means what is the largest perspective. Here if you can see that we have four types of triangles, means these four types of triangles will be there in database. Okay, with these sides. So firstly we have to identify that the sides are satisfying the criteria of triangle or not. Okay, the first thing will be we check that these sides will satisfy the criteria of triangle or not. मतलब हम पहले ये चेक करेंगे कि ये ट्रायंगल बनता तो है या नहीं इससे. तो ट्रायंगल बनने के लिए हमारे पास जो भी कंडीशन है, ये कंडीशंस है हमारे, ये तीनों कंडीशंस हमारे सेटिस्फाई होने चाहिए. ओके, बेसिकली यही रूल है कि कोई भी दो साइड्स एक साइड से बड़े होने चाहिए, लाइक उनका सम बड़ा होना चाहिए. सो this is the first if, means we are starting our if block. We will check that कि a plus b is greater than c, b plus c is greater than a plus c is greater than b. Okay, this is our basic criteria of triangle. If this satisfies, then we know that this is triangle. अगर यही satisfy नहीं करता है तो हम else में जाएंगे, हम क्या प्रिंट करेंगे, नॉट अ ट्रायंगल प्रिंट करेंगे. सो ये पहले इसको भूल जाओ, ये अंदर वाले को भूल जाओ. सो दिस इज़ बेसिक कंडीशन कि पहले ट्रायंगल है या नहीं. अगर ट्रायंगल होता है तो अगर मुझे ट्रायंगल प्रिंट करना है तो मैं देन के आगे लिखूँगा जो भी प्रिंट करना है, जो भी दिखाना है, जो जिसका भी आउटपुट चाहिए हमें. ओके, इफ़ ए प्लस बी इज़ ग्रेटर देन सी एंड ऑल, ये जो भी तीनों कंडीशन से अगर ये सेटिस्फाई होंगे तो हमारा ट्रायंगल है. अदरवाइज इट इज़ नॉट अ ट्रायंगल जो हमें इधर दिख रहा है. लाइक वी कैन सी दिस मीन्स 13 प्लस 14 इज 13. ये जो भी कंडीशंस है ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहे, दैट्स वाई दैट इज़ नॉट अ ट्रायंगल. नाउ वी विल सी दैट 3 कंडीशंस विच आर ट्रायंगल, मीन्स ये जो 3 कंडीशंस है ये ट्रायंगल होगा तभी सेटिस्फाई होंगे. अगर ट्रायंगल नहीं होगा तो हमें ज़रूरत ही नहीं है ये चेक करने की, ये तीनों चेक करने की. सो इफ़ these 3 conditions are satisfying, then we will check that which type of triangle this is. Okay, here also we are taking case and end, just like I said the blocks. And in when condition, if a equal to b and b equal to c, then equilateral triangle. And when a equal to b means any two sides are of equal length. So that's why we are checking this in all conditions with 3 conditions, a equal to b, b equal to c, or a equal to c, then isosceles triangle. Otherwise it will be the scale n, because all 3 sides will be with different length. So we will run this code. So that's it. So अगर वीडियो में अब तक बने रहे हो यार तो सब्सक्राइब तो कर लो यार प्लीज़. वैसे भी मेरे बोलने से कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा, अगर लड़की होती तो पक्का सब्सक्राइब करते यार. चलो बाय, थैंक यू.